Less than 3 in 10 science and engineering jobs are held by women. That's weird, because innovation doesn't know what you look like. Innovation doesn't care where you're from. All that matters to innovation are ideas. Show the world that work shouldn't be defined by what people think of you, but by the way you think. So let's take this and flip it on its head. To blow away the misperception, dissolve the stigma, blast through the bias, and bring innovation culture into balance. How? Hack a hairdryer. You, a wind blaster, and an idea. Repurposed for a larger purpose. To support those who believe it's not what covers your cranium that counts, but it's what's in it. So hack heat, reroute airflow, reinvent sound, and imagine a future where the most brilliant minds are solving the world's biggest problems, regardless of your gender. Join our experiment to start re-engineering what matters in science at ibm.com/hackahairdryer.